everyone, thanks for joining me today. I'm Fritz on Fritz. I hope your day is going splendidly so far. Currently 95 degrees and sunny here in the valley on this Saturday afternoon. Do you know what time it is? Yeah, that's right. It's taste test time. Today, I'm going to try Wise Loose Screws Nacho Cheese Flavored Corn Chips. Whoa. If you've tried these, please let me know in the comments what your assessment of them are. I bought this 3.5-ounce bag earlier today at a local variety store for $1.25. Full disclosure, Dollar Tree is not a sponsor of this video, and Wise Foods Incorporated is not a sponsor of this video. The store had 15 bags in stock on the shelf in their snack section, not far from the checkout registers. This particular bag has an expiration date of July 22nd, 2024. Whoa. Also, the state of Pennsylvania is not a sponsor of this video. Whoa, air. There we go. Twisty. Cheers, everybody. Mmm. Oh, yeah. Mm-hmm. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Mmm. Crispy, yet light, airy, straightforward, nacho cheese, a little salty, a little sweet. In terms of the texture profile, these taste exactly like the Fritos corn chips twisted, flavor twists, queso. So I'm not sure who copied who, but these taste just like Fritos. It's fresh, mm, perfect balance. The seasoning, the nacho cheese seasoning itself, it doesn't have that weird chemical aftertaste like some other brands do. It'd be great on its own as a snack. Take it to work, put it in your desk drawer, or have these at a barbecue with some pulled pork, some beans. Oh yeah. Mm, delicious flavor profile. And this seems like a great quality for the quantity and for the price, at least where I got them at. The bag size for me is just enough for a satisfying snack without overdoing it. Portion control. Oh, I just can't stop. That nacho cheese really shines through, and then the corn provides a nice canvas to enhance that flavor. Oh, crunchy. Not greasy at all. Woohoo! Gold mine. mm. Mm. Oh man. What a treat. If you like nacho cheese flavored corn chips, I think you would like this. If you like Fritos in general, I think you would like this too. Mm, good quality, very fresh, satisfying crunch. I just can't get enough. Mm, oh my. Snack time is fun time. On a scale of 1 to 10, I will give the Wise brand loose screws nacho cheese flavored corn chips. I'm giving these a solid 9.87. So close. So close to a 10. Mm, yeah. Look at all the seasoning on that one. Woo. Cheesy. Mm, cheesier. If it was cheesier and yet not as salty, then it would have been a 10. But as it is, I'm still eating it. This is so good. I'm pretty sure this whole bag will be gone within the next 10 minutes. I just can't stop. I'm glad I only bought one bag because this is so tempting. Mm, I really need to kick in my self-control and self-discipline and pace myself not eat this whole bag all at once. It's so good. Until next time, I'll see you then. Bye, everybody. Have a great rest of your day. Safe travels if you're heading anywhere this weekend. Hmm, have some residue on my fingers. Hmm. Ta-da. Stay hydrated. It's really hot outside. Ta-da.